For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever wondered if one toaster oven could really do it all? Let me tell you about the Cuisinart TOB-135N Deluxe Convection Toaster Oven Broiler in brushed stainless steel. It's been a game changer in my kitchen. With 1800 watts of power, you can toast, bake, broil, cook pizza, reheat, defrost, and more. I tried making a quick homemade pizza the other day, and the crust came out perfectly crisp while the toppings cooked evenly, something I didn't expect from a countertop oven. The capacity is impressive too. It fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast in its 0.6 cubic foot interior, which is perfect when I want to prepare multiple items at once. Cleaning is hassle-free thanks to the non-stick interior and slide-out crumb tray. And the Always Even Toast Shade Control guarantees consistently golden toast. I've tested it with frozen bread, and it never disappoints. The digital controls with a blue backlit display make it simple to operate, and the exact heat sensor keeps your food at the right temperature every time. I love that it also has a 2-hour timer and automatic shutoff, so I don't have to worry if I get busy in the kitchen. The auto slide rack makes handling hot trays safer and much easier. Accessories are included, so you're ready to cook immediately. Baking pan, wire rack, broiling tray, slide-out crumb tray, and even a recipe book. I actually tried a few recipes from the book, and it made experimenting with this toaster oven fun and simple. It's BPA-free and comes with a limited 3-year warranty, which gives extra peace of mind. For troubleshooting, the user manual is clear and helpful. The compact design measures 10.88 inches L by 20.25 inches wide by 17.25 inches H, fitting easily on a countertop without sacrificing cooking space. In short, the Cuisinart TOB-135N Deluxe Convection Toaster Oven Broiler is versatile, reliable, and practical. From perfectly toasted bread to broiled veggies or pizza, it handles multiple tasks with ease. With its digital controls, precise heating, safety features, and included accessories, it's easily become one of my favorite kitchen tools, and I think it could be yours too.